Hello, my name is Chris Bird, and I'd like to tell you about two seminars I'm going to be doing at the Nebraska Annual Real Estate Convention on April 17th of 2019 in La Vista, Nebraska, just outside of Omaha. I'm going to be bringing to you two of my favorite courses. The first one in the morning is a course on tax aspects of home ownership, after the Tax Cut and Jobs Act of 2017. Everyone needs to know how this new tax bill, at least for the next 8 years, may change the way that people look at owning a home in light of the reduced mortgage interest deduction, basically not for a lot of your clients, but clearly for some of your higher net worth, higher income clients. The value of the mortgage interest deduction may not be quite what it used to be. The big limitation I'm going to talk about in that course is the new limitation, because of the tax law change, on what we call SALT, state and local income tax. So property taxes, state income taxes, personal property taxes on Schedule A are now limited to $10,000. And we need to explore that and find ways to work around some of those limitations, for example, by possibly using part of the home as an office, possibly renting out your second home more to move it to a rental property titling, and I don't mean titling, but as far as the tax return goes, moving it to another schedule. We're going to explore the $250,000 and the $500,000 exclusion and why people need to keep good track of their basis in their principal residence, because Congress did make some attempts, although it was not successful, to erode some of the benefits of the $250,000 and the $500,000 exclusion on the sale of a principal residence. Well, those are some of the things we're going to talk about in the morning seminar. In the afternoon, I'm going to be bringing to you my tax issues for the real estate professional as a result of the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. And key here is we need to talk about this new qualified business income deduction, which has been changing literally throughout 2018, even into early 19, as the IRS issued regulations and instructions and things like that. So even as of April 17th, the date of the seminar, I'm going to provide to you the latest regulations from the IRS and the notices with regard to how rental property profits, the cash flow and the after-tax profits of owning rental real estate fall into the 20%. So I'm going to hit that 20% hard, how every one of you that is a self-employed person, whether you file as a sole proprietor, whether you file as an S corporation, whether you're an LLC, whatever, I'm going to show you how this new 20% deduction is going to put thousands of dollars into your pocket when you file your returns through tax reduction. Not only that, we're going to talk about the new rules regarding meals, the fact that we can still take 50% of meals with clients, but that entertainment is basically a goner as a deduction. I need to talk to you about the new rules with regard to the write-off of cars and heavy SUVs and pickup trucks. So those are some of the things that are really, really relevant. It's going to put money back into your pocket, and I really want you to come to that afternoon session I'm going to be doing. I hope to see you on April 17th in La Vista, Nebraska. Thanks. See you soon.